this is how to fix Palworld crashing in your low-end PC. For the first step, you should go to the Windows taskbar and right click and select Task Manager. From here, we need to expand this Task Manager pop-up. Now you can see the CPU and memory usages. You need to keep them below 100% in order to avoid any stuttering or freezing issues. So to do that, you need to scroll through all of these processes, and any useless or suspicious process that you don't really like this one, right click on it and make sure to terminate it by selecting in task. After that, go to the search and type in Steam. Make sure to terminate it as well if you do find it running. The next step, go to the search, type in device manager, open it, go to the processors and select it. You can select any one you want. Right click and select update driver, select the first option and then close. Now look for display adapters, do the same thing. If you do have an NVIDIA graphics card or AMD graphics card, you can select it and then right click and do the same thing and then select close. Now go to the search and type in NVIDIA. Make sure to open this NVIDIA app if you do have an NVIDIA graphics card. Go to drivers and make sure to install or even reinstall the latest available driver that will appear right here. For the next step, go to the Windows icon, then go to settings. You need to ensure that you have the latest Windows updates. Go to the bottom left corner and then you can select on this download and install all button. If you do have a stuck or error in downloading, scroll down and then go to update history and check the first two options and then select uninstall updates. If you are sure about any suspicious one from here, you can just select it, otherwise don't touch it. Just go back, select recovery instead. You can select reinstall now, but before that you can try this one. So select the first option and then go to other troubleshooters and select this run button and see if it works. Lastly, go open the Steam launcher, then go to the Steam logo top left corner and select check for Steam client updates. If you do have an older version, a download button will be appearing right here. Otherwise you're good to go, so select close. After that, go to library and click on collections. Look for Palworld right here in your game library. The game must be installed, so once you select it, click on this manage gear option and go for properties. After that, go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. So it verifies if you do have the original files of the game, and any file that is missing or corrupted will be automatically recovered without the need to download it from the start. Wait for the process to finish, and then all you have to do is to go restart your computer and hopefully the crash issue is fixed. If you do find it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.